kids! Thanks for joining Mr. Oopy's Art and Craft. Today we are going to be making Christmas baubles, just like this one. Before we get started, we need a few items. Paperclip or thin rod, glitter, ribbon, bauble, wait, where are you going? Glue, glitter, sequins, a mix of both, and scissors. Let's begin and have some fun. First, let's get our bauble and a texture. I'm going to draw a line through the center of the ball, then a cross. We will have 4 quarters that we can decorate. You don't have to do this, but only if you want different options. Great! Now we have 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Now we need our hanger. You can use a paperclip or a thin rod. Bend one end of the paperclip, insert in the bauble, and then to the other side. Great! Now pull the hanger so it's firmly set in. Well done. There it is. Let's get creative. We have our sequins, glue, and place glue on one of the quarters of the bauble. Then add your sequins on top so it sticks to the glue. Looking good. Next up, I think I might use glitter on the second part of the bauble. I'm going to use blue, but you can use any color, and sprinkle it on like a salt and pepper shaker. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Great. Let's have a look. We've done 2 portions. Oh, there's the third one. Let's add more glue. Glue, 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 glue. This time, I'm going to use silver glitter and sprinkle it on. It's looking very Christmassy. And I'm looking forward to putting it on my Christmas tree. Let's have a close look. Very pretty. We have one more to do. Let's add more glue on our bauble. Last but not least, back to our glitter, and I would like to use gold. Sprinkle it on. Great. Now we need our silver ribbon. Cut about 40 centimeters, but it can be more or less. Place the ribbon through the hanger and then tie a knot, which we will then put on our Christmas tree. Excellent! Voila! You have just made a Christmas bauble. Looks fantastic! Mr. Oopy would like to show you a Christmas bauble that he did earlier. This one has no quarters. All I did was place glue all over the Christmas bauble and dip it into a mix of sequins and glitter. And it looks like this. Fantastic! And you can mix any kind of colours of glitter and sequins and make your own creative Christmas bauble. Well done! Go and make some more and hang them on your Christmas tree. Until next time, it's bye for now from Mr. Oopy. Bye!